This is the PE teacher. That's great, Mike. Okay, so now listen to teacher and drag this picture. Okay, number 1, where is the music teacher? Music teacher. Great job. Number 2, arts and crafts teacher. Very good. Number 3, PE teacher. Okay, for the last one, that's great. Great job,
Good
Mike. I will
job.
give you more stars. Okay, so who are they, Mike? Okay, go. Please read. This
is a music teacher. This is art and craft teacher.
Great job.
This is a PE teacher. This is a head teacher.
Oh, wow. Great job, Mike. Okay. So now for that one, Mike, let's move on.